guys, welcome back to my channel, Jessica and Esther's channel, but not Cheeky Jessica anymore. So let's go do the fidget toy hunting, well, scavenger hunt. So let's go, Let's go, see with your eyes in the YouTube. Woo! I think I found something. What is this? Comment down below, what is this? Comment down below if it's a cube. Just say it is a cube. It's a galaxy cube, definitely. Comment down below if you already think that. So cool. Okay, let's just put it right here with my writing. Let's go. Wait, what? What? I got this, I think stress ball. Well, it's not a stretchy one. I meant that when you were stressed. Which means stress ball. Wait a minute, my mom's hiding this from me. Alright, let's go find some more. Let's find some more. Alright, so while finding some more, I might do some shout outs. So yeah. And after the shout outs, we're going to be doing the winners, which means the winners gets to have a group chat. So yeah. The winner might be someone. So yeah. Let's go find some more fidget toys. Scavenger hunt. Do you see anything? It's a green bee. It's a fidget toy green bee. Oh wow. Oh. We're using the wrong way. Oh, so cute. Let's try this one. Oh, nothing. No face. No face. Wait. No face. No face. Look at us. Okay. Let's just put it in my place. Can you see anything here? Comment down below if you see something in there. Wait a minute. This is a squishy. Another fidget green bean. What? I didn't notice. What is this? Let's just put it in my special ones. Where is that? Oh, I see something. I see something in the camera. Oh, phone. Whoa! Okay, I think that's it. But it's actually one more. My dad said because he's hiding it. Comment down below if there's a marble match because he told me that there's a marble mash in there. Comment down below, guys. And we're going to do shout outs, and after the shout outs, and and then after that we're going to do some shout outs. So make sure to watch the next video and comment. And yeah, don't subscribe because that. Oh yeah, definitely subscribe. If you can't subscribe, then it's okay. Turn on the notifications and do thumbs up, but not a thumbs down. So thumbs up. Quickly, but not that. Thumbs up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So make sure to watch the next video. So I hope you enjoy it. So bye.